Hello there, and today we are going to learn a couple tricks here with one ring and two balls. So the very first thing that we want to make sure that we establish is that we just have a good control of our two balls. So you're going to want to make sure that you can throw them side by side in columns, maybe switch them up a little bit. Make sure that you can go in a circle, reverse that circle, whoop. And you're going to want to make sure you got both of those pretty solid down. So the first trick that we're going to do is called shooting hoops. So what I like to do is take the ring and hold it right out here. I would say about chin, neck level-ish. And I start throwing. We're just going to be going around in a circle with two balls. With the only difference is this is going to be where the path of the ball goes. So first we will start off with just chucking one and being able to catch it right through. Perfect. And now we're going to try it with both. And this one, it's cooler the higher you get to throw it because it comes around full circle and also gives you enough time to get that ball back and under. The next thing that we are going to learn is how to get out of that. So we're right here right now. We're going to want to take this ball, or not this ball, this ring, while we have one ball in the air, and we're going to want to cross it up, just like we would do in a normal cascade. So we have our trick going on, and while this ball's in the air, throw it up, and you can just bring it back into your normal cascade. Now from here, I'm going to show you how to slam it, or slam dunk it, from either side. So what you're going to want to do is, as you're throwing the ball up into your cascade, instead of throwing it straight up, you're going to tilt your ring to the side just slightly so that it can go up and through. And this is also a form of chopping, but I like calling it slam dunk a lot better just because of the ring. And finally, we will learn how to catch our ring. So there's a couple different ways that we can catch the ring. You can either catch it just straight up, which is pretty boring. You can catch it through your arm, which is always a fun one. You can end it with a little bit of a spin, or you can catch it by clapping the two balls together. So we throw it all the way up, clap right in the middle. And the cool part about catching it like this is it does give you enough chance and friction